This is for the cholas living la vida loca. GarmentsCalls.com.
Lean like a chola, way up high. Thick eyeliner in my eye. Cruise all day, drink all night. Got 4 kids with 3 guys. Lean like a chola.
All up in the hood, you might see locas looking good, but crazy. Finds them at the car show or on the street or their favorite hangout, the swap meet. Damn, don't be a hater. It's all good. Smile now, cry later. Never mess with a chick with lip liner, no lipstick. Wanna look good? I'll tell you how. First gotta paint on your eyebrows. Spray your hair with Aquanet. Get a tattoo to rep your set. Sport Ben Davis and some Dickies. And your neck covered in hickeys. Need a gallon of mascara. And get pregnant at your quinceañera.
Lean like a chola, way up high. Thick eyeliner in my eye. Cruise all day, drink all night. Got 4
of a ratchet.
My dick cost a late night fee. Yo, dick.
Hey MTV Crims, I'm gonna show you how the Ratchet house looks like. I live in my parents' bathroom. Come on in. Put yourself at home. Alright, I got the kitchen. All good, all good. That sink. I've been washing dishes lately. And that cup noodles. You know how much those cost. Foofless. And I got those designer bags. Ooh, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. Wow! I've been smoking. And this bed. That's that swami though. Alright? All good, all good. Get your ratchet ass out of here! Alright? Get your ass! Hey y'all, I'm gonna get some stuff on my man. Alright? Oh man. Woo! Sweet Lord Jesus! Woo! Oh, look at these shoes. Woo! Woo! Smells pretty good new. Woo! Put them down for a second. Let's see if I can find something else, you know. Oh my! Oh, what the stain? Woo! Try them out. I need to try them out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Like that.
Shampoo, cause nobody can do what it is I do. So I rock shampoo in my hair. In his hair. In my hair. In his hair.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please, I'll be making more weekly videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Look at these rolls, look at these clothes, look at this dope.
Oh good, it's like clay.
Let me see your purse.
Hey, y'all, I'm gonna get you.
Tour.
My box here.